Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tanya, and this is the channel where we create the atmosphere for you to celebrate your grace, beauty, and style. Thank you for coming back. Thank you to all of my subscribers and new subscribers over this past holiday season. Thank you for joining me here. Well, in this episode, I'm going to be talking a little bit about outerwear. I just wanted to share with you what I am working on. Towards the end of last year, I left off with an upcycle of a jacket. It was the olive green jacket. I'll show you a picture here. And I added something to that jacket. So let me show you that real quickly. I found this patch. It says United States Veteran. And most of you may know that I am a veteran. I served in the Army for 21 years. And when I saw the patch, I just had to get it, and I added that to the jacket. So this was the last piece I was working on. So I have decided to continue on with that trend of outerwear. Now, I only have a few more months to wear some of this outerwear, so I want to go ahead and get it sewn up now. Because it seems like every year, I don't sew it fast enough to wear it, but I'm going to sew it up this year. And if I can't wear some of the thicker coats that I am making, I will definitely be able to wear it next month. All right, so let's get started with some of the outerwear that I'm working on. You may be wondering what I am wearing. Well, this is a pattern from a fellow sewist here on YouTube named Stephanie. I will add her YouTube channel in the link so that you go check out her channel and check out this pattern that she's offering. It's been out for almost a year now, I think. Yeah, a year. So this is what it looks like. It has the bell sleeves. There is one without bell sleeves, and you can make short sleeves as well. So something comfortable that I decided to put on today. I thought I would share that with you before I get into this outerwear. So you see on Penelope back there, what's there? It is Simplicity 9685, and I am doing view B. I'm almost finished. Add the buttons and hem the bottom, and I'm debating on what buttons to use. So let me show you here. I bought a packet of buttons that had two different types of buttons. One was an olive green and this flowery one. They both will go well with that jacket. So I'm going to put them up against the jacket, and you let me know whether or not I should do all of the one button or the other, or mix match. This is what I want to do. I want to mix match my buttons to add to that jacket. So let's see what that will look like. Here are the buttons, how I would like to place them on this coat. Every other one, it calls for 5 buttons. So what do you think? Should I do it like this, or should I do all of the one or the other? And let me place them actually on the fabric itself as well, so you can see what it looks like. Looks kind of cute to me. It blends in with the rest of the colors. There's a variety of colors in this fabric here. So you tell me what you think. Should I use all of one, either the olive green or the flower buttons? But I think it looks just as cute with both buttons as well. Let me know what you think. I'm also working on a lightweight fleece jacket, no sleeves. This is a McCall's pattern that I got from Walmart, and I'm doing view B, as you see there. And let's see, the pattern number, it's a different type of pattern number, so it's L9635, view B. And I'll show you, I've started to cut it out already, so I'll show you, it's on my floor, show you what that looks like. All right, here you have the pattern pieces for the McCall's fleece jacket that I'm working on. The solid blue is a blanket that was donated to me from my local veterans office. So I decided to pair that blue with some blue and pink fleece that I have. I'm going to combine those together to make up View B for my McCall's pattern. Also, I did well, basically it's a top, but I made it into a jacket. Simplicity 9239, View A. And all I need to do is add some buttons to it. So that is something that I'm going to be working on for this month as well. As you see here, I have a couple of patches that I want to sew on the jacket, on the sleeve. And there's a heart one that I want to put on the back there. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up and add some blue buttons to this, and I'll be done with that. Also, my son brings me a sweatshirt and he says, Mom, can you make this into a vest? So yes, I can do that for you. So I cut off the sleeves and there you have it, the vest. So I just turned it under and I did a decorative stitch around the edge. It kind of mimics the stitch that was already on there. Let me give you a close up. You can see that. Yep, I think you can see that. And I tried my best to get as close to the color of the thread, but I think from a distance you're not really going to be able to tell, and it works out just fine. I know he's going to love that. So that he can wear this to work. He actually works for a golf club, so this is perfect for his work environment. Well, I thank you all for joining me for this episode. If you have made it this far, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can come back and see all my makes throughout the year. So thank you for joining me and have a lovely day.